Okay, just sit there. You're gonna work on something. Hey, I'm back. Okay, I wanted to, let's see, I can turn around. I want to take you into, this is one of our lash right now. So they're on a break, but I do catch a couple students here. How are you guys? Yeah, say your name, tell me who you are and what are you in here for?
I'm Selena here. I'm learning how to do lashes. I just did a lash removal.
All right. Okay, so other people is on a break, so I'm glad you catched you. And you're going to be here how many days?
2 days.
2 days. And we're going to learn what?
The classic volume high-ridge lash.
How is it going so far?
Good.
Very good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, guys. So as you see, we are holding lash course right now, and so some of them is on a break, but I will walk you through our ombre class right now, okay? And this is our hallway. Coming in here. Hi, guys. Hello, Blue. Look at you. Beautiful. Hello, Francie. Here's my other half right here. What are we doing today? We're doing ombre class today, and what the students are doing, practicing on.
They are practicing measuring.
Measuring, nice. So that's it, guys. Look how they are doing. Hello, ladies. What are we doing here? Hi, Blue. How are you?
Hi.
Hey, Blue, what do you think about your past class? And this is an ombre class. I'm glad to see you today.
Thank you. Gosh, the microblading is definitely no joke.
Yeah.
It is.
It's a work, right?
Science and math and the angles and learning about how the hair grows and the different patterns of how the hair grows.
Oh, here we're back. It was buffering.
Oh.
Then we're back again. What do you think,
Turn off
Leticia?
Wi-Fi.
Well, I think the microblading, you give so much confidence to people, help them, with their daily routine. Eyebrows give you expressions.
Yeah.
When they're perfect, then.
How long have I know you took different classes? You've been here, you in and out.
I want to take all of your classes.
Both of us like that.
You are partners in crime. Partners in crime. And then I have here. I can't wait to come to your class. I am so excited. Sonia Hill is from New York.
Oh.
Yeah, you are?
Yes.
Hey,
Just learn, we practice, and we practice.
yeah. Hey, Jenny, were you in here with me? I'm going to go ahead and coordinate the eyeliner class for you coming soon, okay? So let me go ahead and reach out to you, Jenny. Say yes, hello. Felicia Cortez, I do want to learn from you. Very good. And I think, we're open. Our academy is open, so you can come back anytime. And I know some of our students here from San Diego? Oh, yes, Tamaria is from San Diego, and we so much welcome you. And we do have Christina here, and guess what? Christina, do you want me to disclose something about your background? Christina is a pharmacist. And guess what? She still wanted to explore opportunities in the, beauty industry here, especially permanent makeup. So, okay, I'll let your ladies just go on about to do what you need to do. Okay, guys, so that's what we are having right now. And I know sometimes that you kind of curious, oh, wow, what is this behind this whole academy? We just had a pink slip to open up. And so, guys, once it's open up like this, you are so welcome to come in and visit our academy, register, and explore your opportunities. And also, remember, I did say something earlier in the live that we are giving away the beginner course, and for those candidates, qualified candidates. So it's more like a scholarship that we wanted to give back to the community. All you have to do is, I think there's a link on here earlier that you have to state your name, address, email, and write a short paragraph. Working with you, getting you in, Jenny, for the eyeliner, okay? All right, guys, lady, I appreciate you so much for coming in with me, and I will see you again Wednesday, live at 11 again. Have a beautiful day. Okay, ciao.